I've been waiting for my wheels for over a month and they are finally here. These came all the way from China and they are finally here. So we are going to be unboxing them today. And I am super excited because these bad boys are going to be going onto the Lexus GS300, the drift build. We got two different sizes in these wheels, and we literally have an 18 by 9.5 and an 18 by 10.5. So the 9.5 is going to the front and the 10.5 is going to the rear.
Talking about, man.
And if you're wondering about all the specs on these wheels, this is the first one. This is the 18 by 9.5, and the second spec is for this one, which is an 18 by 10.5. First layer. Very well protected, I would say that. Let's see how they look. Oh my god, dude. The protection is real on these. And here we go. Oh man. Jesus Christ. Fudge. Would you look at that? Oh shit. Oh. I literally just opened the 10.5 because I really want to see the difference between both. Golly, look at that lift, dude. Fuck, dude, this is a 10.5. So these are my new wheels that I'm going to be installing on the GS300, and I cannot wait to get some tires. Now, what is your recommendation for tires? Now, I do want to drift this car. Again, these are cheap Chinese wheels, so I'm not really too worried about the wheel itself, but I do need a good tire so that I can drift it. But let me know what you guys think of this wheel. Let me know if you have questions as to how to go about getting these Chinese wheels, and I can probably hook you up with my distributor and they'll get you some of these wheels if you're interested. I'll be testing them out. I'll be installing them in the car and see how they do. And I'll be doing an updated video here in the near future to see how these last. I mean, they look really, really nice. I have taken both wheels out so you can see the difference in how thick the 10.5 is compared to the 9.5. The lip is way, way bigger on the 10.5 than it is on the 9.5, 100%. So there you have it. New wheels, baby. Oh man, just look at the contrast. The gold looks really good with this color. It's like a gunmetal kind of, or like a brushed silver. It's beautiful. Just look how it contrasts with the car. Oh man. Let's put it right next to it. I know we're not supposed to, but oh man. Yeah, buddy. Oh man. Just look at that. Oh, it's gonna look beautiful on there. Yeah. I also have a quick little update in our lives. We have something new that we're gonna be showing here pretty soon. Boom. God, it's hot. That update, I'll probably be showing it to you guys in the next video, next week's upload. It is a really good update. It's one that I feel like I deserve, and my wife says I deserve, and the universe says that I deserve it. So I will be showing you that update in next week's upload. But for now, this is going to be it, guys. I am ecstatic. I am extremely happy. I'm out of words. The Chinese people are legit. Hopefully this thing doesn't break on the track once we're out there. And hopefully there's no problems while installing these wheels on the car when we have the tires, etc. Give me some good tires because I do not know what to install in these. Packaging was amazing, as you saw. They packaged it safely and they shipped it as described. Really, it was only a month that they said it was going to take, and literally I bought them last month on like the 5th, and it's now the 7th, so I got them just in time. So if you do want to get my distributor for these wheels, I can hook you up. I'll talk to them and let them know what you need. But as for now, this is going to be it. I am excited to install these in the car, but I first need some tires. So drifters out there, what is your tire recommendation that doesn't break the bank? Because your boy does not know shit about tires for drifting. This is going to be my first drift car, and I do want to build it, especially what we have just updated here in our lives. It's going to be great. Sorry for the sweat. I am sweating like a pig. It's hot as heck here. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. We're also on our journey for some damn bodybuilding. If you want to watch that, just check out my regular Instagram account, and I have all the updates there from day one because I was fat. I'm still fat, but I'm working on it, and we're going to be doing a bodybuilding competition next year. So if you're up for that and you want to watch my progress, go ahead and head out to right here. It's Louis Albert. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's freaking go. We got some new wheels, and we're going to get some new meat, and we're going to be installing it on that Lexus, and we're going to be drifting that bad boy. Until next time, peace out.